Hello, welcome to Where Are We Wednesday. Today we are at the Kankakee County Museum, and today, this episode, we are going to look at the Sports Gallery exhibit. This has been one of the most popular galleries we've had. This is the county history from about 1900 to 2000. And you might be surprised that we had some minor league baseball teams, the Browns and the West Side Boosters, the Bishop McNamara High School, used to be St. Patrick's High School, and they do have a very good football team. And so these are some photographs and articles and cheerleading outfits from Bishop McNamara. Kankakee High School, when it was one high school. We also have Eastridge and Westview High Schools. We have some basketball, we have a yearbook, we have some articles here and over here. And then we have Kankakee, and somebody must have gone to Illinois from the Kankakee High School. These photographs, I'm going to talk about just a little bit here. We used to have what was called the Gallagher Business School. They had a great basketball team. I've done some research on that a couple of times for people. We had a Kankakee Business School, a different school, and they had a basketball team. And these were like in the 1930s and the 1900s. We had St. Vitus's baseball team. Now, anybody who's watching this who is from Olivet, your school turned Nazarene in 1940. The Nazarenes purchased it. But before that, it was a Catholic seminary and then later college for men. This one we have Herscher in the county, Herscher Tigers, third place in the state tournament. Here we have Bradley Bourbonus Community High School. Okay, and we have also, see up here we have Kankakee High School and BBCHS Bradley in 1939. And a Letterman sweater from Kankakee, and also a Letterman sweater from Herscher. So we have in here, we have a little bit of basketball. Letterman, a letter from Kankakee. We have, looks like a softball uniform from Bradley. We have sports, general sports in here. And we have volleyball from the Bradley High School. All right, so we have more teams over here. Kankakee Community College is represented. The Cavaliers, the Panthers. Now, here, we're going to talk about Little League games. We have the Little League Pony Baseball. We have Junior Police Boxers. They're teaching the basics for youth. We have Y programs. We have little boxing gloves here. Kankakee went to the Little League World Series. Illinois State Champions here for the American Legion baseball team. Of a Little League outfit here. Baseball, and we have the World Series 1958. We had some gentlemen from places in the county who actually played sports when they were in high school, and they went on to go to either minor leagues or major league professional sports. We have Stu Kahn. This is his uniform. Looks like the Atlanta Braves. And we can get a close-up of the different people who went on to do baseball from our area. And we have a Mets jacket here. And then we have baseball bats from people who were from our area who went to the leagues. We have Irwin, it was a really small town in the county, and Native Arch Ward went to All-Star Game. We have Jack Sigma from St. Anne, and then this is his Daily Journal newspaper article. And then we just have all kinds of memorabilia in here for the different people represented. We have the jersey here for Taiwan Hagler. He went to Bishop McNamara High School, and then he went on to play Chicago Bears in Super Bowl. And over here we have Ted Peterson. And then we had Estes Hood from Mississippi, but he relocated here, Kankakee, in 1970, attended East Ridge High School. That was him. And he was in football and track. And then we had Joey Ray. I did a lot of requests on Joey Ray. He was a track star, went to the Olympics. And this is his story. If you want to do a file on him, I have it. It's pretty big. Lorenzo Smith was an Olympic bobsledder, and he was from Kankakee County. And then we had Moments high school graduate and went to Eastern Illinois University, and he was in the best triple jumper in the United States.